this is Kelly and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing online makeup like this. I'll be showing you step-by-step process of making this look, and I hope it's gonna help you. Without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, I will roll my bangs. I've done my skincare. I will be putting on sunblock. I think this is a must in the Philippines because the sunlight is very strong, and even during rainy days the UV rays still exist, so it could still damage your skin. And especially nowadays that we're exposed to laptops, I think it is one of the greatest factors that could damage our skin. So it is a must, don't forget. I have two products that I want to introduce to you guys. I use them oftentimes. The first one is Kerozone Daily and Family Sunblock. This is applicable for all family members from child to adults, and this is for all types of skin. The second product that I want to share is Holika Makeup Sunblock. This is a tone-up cream, sun cream, but I really love this. But I introduced two products because it really varies on the day you're using it. For my skin type, it's quite oily, so I only use Kerozone when weather is quite not humid, like when it's quite breezing. That's the time I can use Kerozone. But this is really good because I got no acne or red spots going on my face using this one. But for the Holika, I do have a little troubles on my skin, but not much. It's still usable, but I don't frequently use. So today I'll be using this Holika. I will use this pumping cushion, but well, what I can say is don't put too much of it because it's gonna make it so white and it's gonna look unnatural. There, my face looks quite brightened up. So our next step is the eyeshadow. During online classes, I think the main purpose of putting your makeup on is to prevent looking so fresh from your sleep. But just saying, I don't really put makeup all the time during online classes because I don't really feel the necessity of it unless your professor requires your camera to be on. So for the eyeshadow, we're gonna use Etude House Look at My Eyes RD304. This is an eyeshadow that my cousin recommended me to buy, and I'm in love with it, seriously. I'm just gonna put slightly. For the eyeshadow, you have to apply it until the light. You're gonna draw your eyeliner so that your eyeliner doesn't look awkward later on. Feel your under eyes as well. There. So I'll be putting on the other eye as well. The makeup that we're doing today is applicable for online classes and for your daily makeup as well because it's just very light. I'm just gonna put one shadow. I'm not gonna blend other colors. This is good enough. And next, I'm gonna put eyeliner. I'm using long-lasting liquid eyeliner. I actually put darker shade of eyeshadow like the brown. Very dark brown, but it's not necessary today because if you're going on a mall like outings that would help you make your eyeliner look neat. But for this kind of online classes, you don't have to put much effort on it. I did really like using brush type, like this thin brush type before, because it was really hard to draw. But this Mamond eyeliner, it's really recommendable for beginners as well. It's not so hard. You just have to wipe out the liquid a lot. You have to look like this, like slightly open your eyes and face up. For the eyeliner, make sure you're really feeling it, because it really looks awkward if it's drawn above your eyeline. I just want to ask, how are you all doing in your online classes? Is it culpable, or do you find it difficult to catch up? For me, I think it's kind of hard to cope up with the new full online. I just follow through my eye shape. This brush type, it's just like you're drawing on a plain paper. It draws the way you draw it on your eye. So if you're comfortable using paintbrushes, it's gonna be no hard. You just have to make them look the same. So we're almost done. Now we're gonna do blushers. I applied 2 products to make it look really natural. The first one is Etude House Look at My Eyes PK 10. So you might wonder, why are you using eyeshadow to put on my blushers? Well, the shade, when I look through the blushers, it's very bright, most of the colors, but this is quite toned down, so it's gonna really create a natural look as a first layer. I put it all over my thin. Next is Cheek Beat Blusher number 6. It's like the dried rose color. I really love it. The first time I saw it, I was really in love with it, like right away. It creates the look of a very natural red spot on your face, like not the ugly type, but like natural blush. When we look at the makeup right now, it might look, what, the color is so bright, it looks unnatural. But during online classes, like if you look at yourself through the camera without this kind of makeup, you look really pale. So it's fine if it looks a little bright. Next, we're gonna put on the lips. I will make it double layer. So as the first layer, we're gonna use Last Velvet Lip Tint number 13. It's like the MLBB line. I love putting this when going on the near distance groceries as well. It makes you look super natural, like natural bare face. It's just a hack. Maybelline's Assertive Lip Color 205. It's matte ink. Super Stay Matte Link. Well, this product is actually not mine, it's my sister's, but I always love going to her makeup products and use some of hers. So we're now gonna make some gradation using the lip brush. But your makeup's gonna look so ugly when your lips are so dry and you're using a matte type of product. So make sure to moisturize your lips first. The link is right here, so click on it and learn how to moisturize your lips. And the last one, this is just optional, but we will be filling in our eyebrows. Well, I have to fill in the eyebrows because it looks so empty. I'm just gonna brush my bangs off with this roller. Ta-da! So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and find it very informative. I just really wanted to share because online classes does not demand makeup. Well, no class really demands makeup, it's just optional, but sometimes during presentations, stuff like that, I find it very necessary to make myself look presentable. I just wanted to share it to you guys, and if you've liked that, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye!